Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Shawnee and this is the Nail Sanctuary. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing my version of New Year's nails. Happy New Year, y'all. I hope that you get everything that you desire in 2021. I know 2020 has been a trying year for everyone, but I hope that you're able to manifest every dream that you have. So in today's video, like I said, I'll be doing some New Year's nails, and all the products that I'm going to be using will be listed in the description below. So let me know in the comments, what are you looking forward to in 2021? For me, it would be happiness, prosperity, and overall good health for me and my family and friends. Let's get started.
Why don't you get it by now? Tell me what you learned in grade school. Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget that golden rule? Why is our love at one-sided? It should really be give and take. Fill you up and leave me empty. Baby, was that my mistake? Covering these feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad right now, I can't even think straight. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind. Rewind, rewind, rewind. Tell me what choice I have now. I just wanna get it right with you. But if we try to talk about it, our history says we'll just argue. And I know you're gonna act a fool, and then no one could tell the difference between me and you, babe. Watching from a distance, hiding these feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad, but now it's at my own expense. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind. Maybe I need some space, need some air, somewhere else to go, to release, to relax, to let my emotions flow. But for now, I just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it, oh, before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind. Rewind, rewind, rewind. I ran away from heartbreak, got nothing in return for my pain. I never thought I'd be so empty, so alone and afraid. Wasn't looking for a lover, nobody understood where I've been. I guess I thought I needed more time to protect my love from potential offense. So I held in you and you, but I so you and I'm not surprised by what I found. to notice that you were checking for me. We were just friends, but we started building trust, and my fragile heart started to mend. Yeah, I should've paid attention. You would've been the obvious choice, but I needed time to see clearly, dig deep and cut through the noise.